Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Excel file name. First, let's look at renaming a file that is currently open. This method is quick and convenient when you are already working within the spreadsheet. We will then cover how to rename a file when it is closed, which offers another straightforward approach. Both techniques are easy to master and will help you organize your data efficiently. To rename an open Excel file, navigate to the File tab and select Save As. This option allows you to create a copy of your current workbook under a different name. You can then choose a new location for the file or simply save it in the same folder. Enter your desired new name in the file name box, then click Save. Your original file remains, and a new one with the updated name is created. Renaming a closed Excel file is even simpler. First, open your computer's File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the Excel workbook you wish to rename. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select the Rename option. Type in your new desired file name, then press the Enter key to apply the change. This directly updates the file's name. When renaming files, always use descriptive names that clearly indicate the content. This helps you quickly find specific workbooks later. Avoid using special characters such as forward slashes, backslashes, colons, or asterisks, as these can cause errors or prevent files from opening. Stick to letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores for best compatibility. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.